Okay, we made it out to Laguna. This is
Crystal Cove.
Crystal Cove.
Beach.
It took way longer than I would have liked, but we made it out here and we loaded up the wagon. I just got this in Amazon. It's pretty cool. It's gonna carry all of my equipment, and I no longer have to put it on my back. It's gonna make beach life that much easier. And I bought this book to read. Adrift. 76 days at sea. That's a long time. According to the book, it says a must read for any adventure lover. I like adventure. This photo, the throwback. Yeah, the restroom situation is always a little tough on boats. Check this out. Oh. Tacking downwind. I'm gonna tack all the way down to the Coronado Island. Last time I was here, I didn't have we weren't able to make it out under the bridge when we were here as a group. And today I'm gonna try to make it under the bridge and to see what's out there. I haven't sailed out there before. I've obviously been to the Coronado Island since I grew up here, but I haven't sailed in that area. And to me, that's new. Maybe to everyone else as well. Okay. It's a light breeze, not much breeze at all, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the nature as well. All right, mission complete. I just made it under the Coronado Bridge, as you can see. Sandiego is down that way. A success. Initially I was a little worried that going under the bridge, you have these pillars, and it's always nerve-wracking because if something goes wrong, you're gonna end up hitting one of the pillars. But no, nothing happened, and I made it through fine. Right now, what I did was I rigged up the line, the fishing line, and I tossed out this lure, something that looks like this. I think it's called a swim bait. And in this swim bait, I'm using this underspin, three-quarter ounce underspin head. The color that I threw out was black. No, I'm sorry, green. And the guy said it'll work. So I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah, I'm gonna go further down. I actually don't know. I don't know what's. I don't know what further out that way. Oh man, my jib is. What's going on here? Okay, I had the, oh darn it, I had the get on the right side. Now I'm tracking the correct way. Yeah, the wind wasn't, it was a really light wind speeds, 6 miles per hour, I think. It wasn't nothing, powerful, but I'm getting that, little by little I'm getting that experience in. And I think I'm feeling more and more confident that I can come out here and safely navigate the waters, which is really cool. Right now I further and going out further and going out further, and I think that's what's really interesting about sailing, is that slowly and slowly you grow out of you grow, and you end up going further and further and further. And next stop could be Ensenada, Catalina Island, the Galapagos, Hawaii, the French Polynesia, and it's not far-fetched. I mean, if you could sail these waters, and once you know, once you learn how to sail once you learn blue water cruising, and like anything, you practice and practice, and at some point you're gonna get good enough to take on bigger and bigger things. So I'm happy that I'm sharing a lot of this on YouTube, because it really is a sort of a log of my progression in sailing. And so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope I enjoy it actually in the future when I look back at it. That's it. Passing Coronado Bridge. Woo-wee! Get it! Let's get it!